Hey guys, we're still here at Savannah community and we're gonna check out this model home here. Let's take a look at this house and you might see a lot of things that is nice here. Alright, Daisy Taylor Morrison, 1,900 square feet to 2,300 square feet. And that is their garage. Alright, we're gonna take a look at this house. Oh, nice. Pretty nice open layout as I can see, but let's take a look at this right side of the house first. All right, let's check out. Oh, wow. There's some good sized bedroom here. And during the night, you have a view of the mountains there. Look at that. And I like that this one has its own walk-in closet, even though it's a secondary bedroom. And look at this full bathroom, guys. A little bit upgraded with those nice tiles, right? And that's the AZ. Pretty good sized bedroom. Definitely appreciated with this not so small bedroom. And we're gonna go on this left side first. And that's the half bathroom there. You have your laundry area here. And this, it says here that it can be a flex room, right? And this is another bathroom area. All right. This can definitely be a yoga room. Yoga for those who like yogas. All right, so we're now here. I like the tall ceiling here. This might be like 18 feet. I don't know. It's pretty tall. And they chose a dark cabinetry here. I would definitely choose a lighter cabinetry. That's just me. Look at this design of this counter here. Black with those white linings. So this is also an open area because you can see the living room area there, your dining. And let's check out the entire floor here. From the kitchen to your dining and to your living room area. And I can see a bedroom there, which we will also check out. And a really nice pantry area here. Really appreciated that. Okay, so let's go to this master or owner's bedroom. Oh, love this painting here or this art design. Look at this, guys. This art design. It's a pretty good size owner's bedroom, but definitely I would put a door here so that I can access the backyard easily from the owner's bedroom. And this is the view from the owner's bedroom. Really nice sized backyard. All right, so let's check out the master or the owner's bathroom. You have your shower, bathtub, and it doesn't have access to the laundry area. It's a pretty small size closet for an owner's closet area. Dual sink is nice. Of course, you have your own separate toilet area here with a door. And let's check out the backyard. You have your mini golf area here, guys. This definitely can be a pool size area, meaning a pool size backyard. Really small pool though. You can't put a really big pool here because of the size of the lot. Let's take a look at this side. You have a view of the mountain there. And look at this view. They said that these houses here are from Toll Brothers, so it might block your view once those lots have houses already. This is your backyard here. You still have 50 remaining lots on this community or collection. So if you are trying to see or buy a house, definitely have more to choose from, 50 lots. One more time here. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what do you think of this model home and what do you think of this community. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and share this video to any other people that you might know that might be interested in buying a home here in Summerlin area. And also, don't forget to comment down below what do you think of the design of this home, and also check out the other videos on my channel page. And until next time, have a great day.